Hello everyone, today we will learn how to draw a cute kitten. We have also a kitten with us. Hello Ashmira.
Hello.
To draw a kitten at first, we have to draw a curved line like this.
Okay.
Then draw another one and another one.
Done.
Now we will make it the ear of the kitten.
Okay.
Here I am making another one like this. Okay, good job. Now draw two more curved lines here.
Done.
Okay, and connect this. The head part is done. Now for the body part, draw another two curved lines vertically. Now simply making the legs. Yes. Good job.
Thank you.
Now connecting these lines. Now draw a tail in the right side simply.
Okay.
Okay, the outline is ready. Now it's time to draw the face. Draw a V and make it nose in the center. Making dark the lower part. Okay, now draw the mouth. Okay, good job.
Thank you.
Making a circle here to make the eye of kitten. And drawing another circle here. Drawing eyeball inside it. Now make another little circle as the reflection of light in eyeball. Okay, making it dark. Okay, done. Now draw 3 lines in the right side and another 3 lines in the left side. Okay, done. Our simple kitty drawing is done. Okay, thanks for watching. Keep watching us to see more videos. Thank you.
See you.